The executive member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Gigur Mirthong, and Fenton J. Lakadong, along with the CM of Hima Milim, Ainam Manik's aim, Ministry of Hima Milim and Enforcement Wing of the KHDC on Wednesday conducted surprise checking of trading license and labour license at Yodo, Shillong. Speaking to media persons, executive member in charge of trade, Gigur Mirthong informed that recently the office of the CEM received a letter from Khon Kinthe O Nutrep Association, who complained that some shops at Yodo do not have trading license and labour license, which made the council conduct the surprise checking. He also informed that the council has found some shops that do not have a trading license. The enforcement wing of the KHDC has closed down the shops as per law.
Kalong kay kaba bangsi tenan abang iba pila wan ban ai komplain haka nuka kam gumut pidai ban wan lang hamtam e pi ai ra kerteng association ada individual to pila ban wan ru dre mentaki wan da ka association gumut pidai ban ya don lang bat ni mentas ni dre ki klem wan kena kaleng ni la le ya ka ai ki badon kam ni council ni la ya la persang ban wat ya kita kiba kila ajing to kini ki association dre ilap baki don hi katokat ne kiba 4 renew license kidon kiba song klem 4 don license yang itu nila ya sakmat katung kendon ka council.
Minister in charge of tourism